So guys, now there is a problem here that I want us to understand. When you import these files in Adobe Premiere Pro, let me import the files and see what is gonna happen. When you try to import the files, these are pictures, let me see, this is a JPEG, this is a JPEG, but let's try to import them because we need to start our editing. This and this, I need to use this, okay, and this. Let's import. Boom. Then when we import only one picture, I only imported one picture among all the pictures that I wanted to import. You see the message they are giving me, error message. The file cannot be opened because of a header error. Now I want us to solve this right now. Okay, just go back to the location of your pictures. Open the location of your pictures. They were here in volume D, headshots. Where are they? The pictures that do not that refuse to import. Now there is this. Let me start with this. You go to open with paint, because that we just need to change the format of these pictures so that they can be accommodated in Adobe Premiere Pro. I'm actually using Adobe Premiere Pro 2020. So after opening in paint, go to save as. Now we're gonna save it as a high quality image PNG file, picture PNG. I can rename it even that PNG 1. The same location. We go back to headshots and open the next picture. Open with paint. Then save as PNG. I can rename it now. PNG 2. It's going to go in the same location. I can close this and go back, open. Remember, we are doing this for all our files that have refused to be imported in the Adobe Premiere Pro for editing. PNG file, save as PNG. I'm going to rename this PNG 3. Save. Close that. Go to the next. I think we imported this. This is accepted to be imported. What is the next? I think we do not work on this. Which one? Open with paint. You save it. Save as PNG 4. Close that. Which other picture that refused to import? I think this is the last one. This is the last picture. Open with paint. I'm gonna save this as PNG. PNG is a quality picture. PNG 5. Rename PNG. Okay, so let's go back to our Premiere Pro video editing software and try to import these pictures. We're not gonna receive such. We are not going to receive such notifications that we received. Okay, we are the pictures. PNG 5, PNG 3, png2, png4, png1. I remember I renamed all of them. PNG, I think these are the pictures. Where are the other pictures? And import, open. So now you see your files have imported successfully without giving you the notification here that you cannot import them. So that is it. We have changed the file. We have changed the format of these pictures. So now it's okay. You can now start your editing. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that whenever we upload a new video, you get a notification.